Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Today I'm going to share with you how this beautiful Wozukia fabric shower curtain has taken my guest restroom from bland to beautiful. This pattern won me over immediately. It's a gorgeous enlarged print of gold and white peonies. This look tied all of my matte black and gold restroom finishes together perfectly. The fabric is really lightweight. It's 100% polyester, which means that it glides really smoothly across the shower rod. Even when it gets wet from use in the shower, it is not heavy and it does not take a long time to dry. I really liked that right out of the package, this material was smooth and lightweight. It's 72 inches long by 72 inches wide, and it fits my shower just perfectly. All around, this shower curtain has been a wonderful addition to my guest restroom. And if you're looking for a really economical way to give your restroom a beautiful upgrade, I think you'll love this curtain. And that's my point of view.